So Masicka, don't tell me say you're a coward in a brethren. Drop your song, man. Drop your song. You know how long you preview your song over 2 weeks now, you know? But you preview your song over 2 weeks now. So where are we upon to drop your song, dog? Drop your song, man.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Yeah, man, you know genocide never stop work. We don't take time off. We don't lazy up. We don't drop song every 5-6 months. You understand? And then come and talk about quality control. And then I talk about pace control and rate. That's why I something I always say Jamaican artists them too lazy. That's why.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
No pussy. That's why I not reach now, and that's why I drop off a farm so much. You understand? That's why I drop off a farm so much, cause of consistency.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock.
One, you don't know Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, you know things set. So people, January people, I call out Masicka, you know. My name say Masicka afraid for drop song. You see it, but you would have been there, say.
Of ground is a blessing, chat. Always remember that. Yo, Masicka. Me see a preview a song, you know. Where are we upon for drop your song, dog? Where are we upon for drop your song? Where are you wait until Movado song and Vibes Cartel song water down before you drop your song? Because Vibes Cartel never wait until the space water down. Movado never wait until the space water down before them drop them song, you know. No, dog. Them just drop them song.
But, brother, I guess you don't know Masicka still, no, brother. You have to understand, say, yo, bro, Masicka is a wet bread, bro. If you see all them man there, him just always at the easy route. You see me? Him afraid. Say, yo, if him drop song, you know, nobody not gonna pay it no mind. To go flap this, that. So look, you know, it's a brother where him wait for a moment when the hype and everything die out. So when dancehall just up on a cruise mode, him just drop the song and then everybody ever talk about the song. But if him did drop his song in another little time, nobody would have made it. You see me? Because I remember, you know, the Gaza fan not with him no more. You see me? Them not with him no more. They're going at 3 months now. Remember, you know, people, I'm a matter of fact, I go make you know, I make you remember this, because Masicka usually say something, you know. See? I make you see what
Time off.
So look here now. That video you do like years ago with Masicka, right? And you see same thing in a song, in a video you saw what I do? What I say about other artists, I same thing I do in a 2026. See? Just look what I go on.
Yeah, man, you know genocide never stop work. We don't take time off. We don't lazy up. We don't drop song every 5-6 months. You understand? And then come and talk about quality control. The pussy them can't find no mix. You know, for no style, you know. Yeah, some of them no. Yeah, man, a quality control and this and that. Through them lack creativity. Because them sing, if them not sing about girl, weed and gun, them can't sing about nothing else. Because them lack creativity. Them
People, who Masicka attack in a 2026? Who are weird and a job song? Oh, I soon 3 months now. Wagwan, you left Clash December. No song now go. So you that tag so back then. So we can see a creative control you there right now. Don't it? You're cool up now. The artists when you that show a little shades off back then. Now you come the same thing in 2026, man. How go on?
the mind limited. You see me, them not exercise them brain power, so them can't find the lyrics, them can't find a song. You see me? And then I talk about pace control and rate. That's why I something I always say Jamaican artists them too lazy. That's why them not achieve what them to achieve, man.
Bomba. So when the kids them they win Grammy and the bag of crooks them a run with the man Grammy. I know no song na drop and you me I telling the people that's why I love of them clipping the people. You see what them talking at the past, them come do the same thing in the present. You see how Masicka a bag of chatting now in a them time there. So we people, to be honest, what we can say now with Masicka now, cause everything we talk it doesn't fall in line with him. You people? Wagwan, car you not find a song. Wagwan. You run out of clash. EP drop nothing no go on feed. No song. What happened?
Make couple million buy a look car and a look house him start pipe, you see me? Get complacent, hype over vehicle and them thing they don't really understand life, you see me? I feel like say, you see me I said? When I'm man, I feel like say, no pussy. That's why I not rich now and that's why I drop off a farm so much. You understand? That's why I drop off a farm so much because of consistency.
So, Masicka, away consistency then now. Now you people must say drop off a farm dog. How go on? People, me tell you, you know. When you dig, whole dig too. If you live in a glass house, don't throw a stone. So you see all I stone when did that throw you so? Everything I fling off of him back in 2026. May I tell you that? So look at now people, I go back to the video now. You see me?
Is a blessing.
I go back to the video. Yeah, you see me? With that brother you say.
Song. Yeah man. Them just drop them song, Reggie, and make the rest, make it do the rest. So Masicka, don't tell me say you're a coward in a virgin. Drop your song, man. Drop your song. You know long yo, you preview your song over 2 weeks now, you know? But you preview your song over 2 weeks now. So where you wait on to drop your song, dog? Drop your song, man. From song a bad song, man. The rest, the crowd will make it do the rest, man. I'm tell you, man, because watch you now. Suppose you go drop your song all in the week. You know, Vice Cartel is a man, them man they drop song daily, you know. So suppose you go drop your song and then Vice Cartel go drop a song too. What do you think? You see? And then move on to go drop a next song again. You see?
But bro, come on, brother. No one, wait the people. No one song move out the drop. And up on the rhythm, brother. Me don't understand this. Bro, now go on like say Cartel just a start drop song. But that man been a drop song, brother, from last year, brother. Whole of last year, the man been a drop song. And now I recognize that. I don't understand that, people. Them man, yeah. So my time I wonder where them there, you know. People, from 2026 start, me hear people attack, you only see man a drop a one bag of song. So wait, from 2024 when him forward out to all of 2025, Cartel never drop no song. At that mo hour. True, nothing I never that go on for them. You never see them hour. I don't understand. Cause Cartel been dropping song. Why are they talk about thing now? I don't understand. What? True, him go up on the hot rhythm and move out go up on the hot rhythm. Brother, I think last year almost sang move out the drop. Maybe like Big Guns. Think of that one there alone, me know. Now the hot rhythm. What's next? I don't understand this. People, you can tell me, you know. Cause I don't know where them money attack, bro. I don't know where them money attack, brother. Cartel and over there do them thing, bro. You see me? No matter if them want drop music, everybody just drop their music. Cause all not talk, that's a bag of hype, bro. When I run with some internet hype and them thing they wanna run with, bro. You see me?
Come on now, man. Drop your song, man. Stop be scared, man. Drop your song, Bridget. Dancehall, man. Dancehall, man. You see what I say? Yeah. You can't be so coward, dog. Masicka look like same wait until the space calm down a little. No, brother.
I just Masicka that, bro. The man free it, brother. Him love take the easy. You understand? Like the man there. Remember say every December man drop him album, you know. When nobody not to a drop song and drop album or nothing like that, you know. And say him take a year. The man always do that. As summer done, bag a song, album release, then them same take a year. And you know see him the whole of January to July or August. But as school back to school start back, be a song, album. Yo, I me take a year. Bro, it's been like that, bro. It's been like that. Especially, I think when I hear with the emergency and it and run. Nothing January. Right? And then by February now, Shensia it and run. The song it and run gone left him. Because when he go over Nigeria, with the Nigerian woman say, yo, she never knows so they do collab. See? Then forward in, him do 2 collab with Romy and Virgo and some album and yeah, them I look at thing them with him. Cause you know say when him drop song, you know, you see one them where when I get to talk about them I run with them one day. I just Masicka that, bro. Anytime that look a saga you done, trust me, you go see Masicka drop him song. I tell you that. I saw a man stay dog. Is it same man with that talk back then, but artist lazy. How who lazy now?
Drop your song, man. Drop your song. Because this is the preview, you know, dog. This is the preview, you know. And when I gotta tell you a lie, you know, one man I try convince me and I say, yo, Prince, Look on that song, yeah. A fucker. But, what you think me tell the dog? What you think me tell the dog? I say, no man, it sound bad. Me not bias in a virgin. Me not bias. I say, no man, the little part of me here sound bad. Now I tell no lie. That me tell the dog. I say, no, the part of me here sound bad, you know. You see me? So you see it? Drop your song, man. If you sing a bad song, you sing a bad song. You see me? I say, yeah, dog. Drop your song, virgin. You can't afraid, virgin. Remember, you know, you say you're the man. You know? You say you're the next in line. Okay? Even though I find that kind of impossible still, but, you know, popcorn did it. Yeah. Popcorn did it.
Brother, stop your shit about popcorn did it, dog. The popcorn there, when you see popcorn gone to Africa, gone to Afrobeats. And you see man down a Shilla Shroom Chim. Eh? I'm tell you, dog, man gone to a Unga Zunga, dog. Green Bush. You see me? African Element. See, I don't say, man, that. Do it, bro. Like, bro. Like, stop it, brother. Yeah, popcorn a big artist, yes, but what him been doing? Manager PP job song, brother, nobody not talk about it. What you talk about that? Masicka they do him look at things same way. You see me? I don't like nobody around the popcorn thing. We just know say yo Masicka is a man where him just afraid to compete with people. I just him that, bro. Him now go drop them song in them time, my brother. I'm gonna wait till the easiest time for drop song. The more calmest time for drop song. I saw them man they do it.
And you know, for me make you go around popcorn, that one you're going impossible. You see me I say? Yeah. Popcorn a superstar in that. You don't reach superstar level yet, you know? Popcorn a mega star. Mega. But that's about superstar. Popcorn a mega star. Yeah man. You see me I say? You don't reach a level yet, so popcorn, you know? Yeah. But drop your song, Bridget. If your song bad, your song bad. Don't be a coward. You see me? When you go plan for drop it? Next weekend we are come. Yo, dog. Boy, oh boy. You're the man, brother. If you're the man, you know. You're not supposed to be coward for drop your song. You see me? Drop your song, man. What you talk about, man? Every day above ground is a blessing, yo.
Oh, man, I know you have pressure, man, for drop song, you know, bro. Like, if a man is confident in himself to drop it, what you gonna do? Eh? Suppose the man say, yo, right now, you know, this is like a saga hype, you know. You see it? But you have to understand, say, must a career thing different right now, you know, dog. You see me? The man now, the Gaza people around with him thing right now, you know, dog. You see me? So, the man goes all drop it and it go sink. You see it? Because to me, that song there, on a real, you know, gangster song, or more like it's a female song, I go drop. You see me? And we don't know some Masicka not really. The energy not really did it with Masicka when it comes to girl song. You see, you can drop a whole album, whole EP and we don't see it yet. You understand? So, if you have to wait, I'm not wrong him, because if him knows him not good with the girl song, just wait for a moment. Him not going to drop that now and it go flop when a war time.
I know enough people have said to themselves, yo, we never see Masicka preview a song. Why not drop his song? Where you wait for that? Drop his song, man. Drop his song. You see what I say? Yeah, man. Don't know if the song good. If the song is good, a man like me will come tell the truth. Say, yo, the song bad, you know. If the song a fucker, a man like me will come say, yo, the song a fucker. I just mean that. Me tell the truth. Me don't know how to tell a lie. You see what I say? Yeah. I'm tell you, say, a man try convince me. I say, yo, look a piece where you preview the man. I say, yo, Prince, this don't sound like fuckery. I'm just say, no. This sound bad. Yeah, me have to tell you the truth. Say, yo, the little part of me here sound bad because, you see what I say? As a one-time gallus, me the man, me pretty deep when it comes to certain, you know, things, you know what I mean? I say, if you're going to do a street song, as a one-time street.
Brother, why for that? I don't know what you mean by that, you know, dog. The man says as a gallus, you pretty things deep. Brother, watch out. You see me? Watch your ass, dog.
Man, me pretty deep when it's a street song, you know, so me know how for matching the words, you know what I say? But drop your song, bad boy. Drop your song, man. Drop your song. Don't be afraid for drop your song. Drop your song right now when the time hot. Yeah, man. Every day.
I know you look like a man drop song and flop himself, bro. You see me? Come no gangster song that. It's a little girl song like, you want the man drop a song in a hot war and flop that. You see me? I feel just do what you do, brother. But everybody's supposed to know Masicka already, people. And how Masicka got to work. You understand? I know nothing new. I know nothing new with Masicka, bro. You see me? Masicka only drop bag of song when him know say, yo, nothing like last year. Him drop a bag of song. Because it wasn't about the music like last year. It's about the artists them who do the big show them and the arena, them and them thing there. So him did a drop him song, them and them thing there. You see me? But now, dancehall about the music, who this man and all of them little thing there. Him not go on going at that, bro. You see it? I saw him stay, cause him have a, you know, every artist have a ego, but him have a ego thing where he must say, yo, when I drop a song, you know, him a wait for a moment. You see me? I saw them man they work. You never see Masicka drop no song in a them type of time, bro. Remember when him drop GOK the December, I think I went 2023 going to 2024 December. Yeah. 2024 year. From 2023 I think. Drop album. And then by January now you don't know Russian Dirty Money Rhythm around the whole of January. Then now him not drop no single, you know. Then now when you look Shensi and the Hit and Run song drop must about I think February. I think kind of February, you know. Yeah. And then after that now in drop 1 and 2 and you see me? Yeah. But right now dog, I see got thing cool up now dog, you see me? Now the guys are not with him right now, you see. So right now there's a headless chicken around. You see me? But people, you know what things said. You see me? Them money I chat a bag 1,000. You see me? Yeah. But you know you go to work already. You see it? I want media facts. That is it.